Welcome to our guide on fixing Roblox account linking issues on your Chromebook. Whether you're encountering trouble connecting your account or facing compatibility issues, we've got you covered. First, let's look at some common reasons that may be causing your account linking problems. These can range from connectivity issues to browser compatibility. One effective troubleshooting step is to clear your browser's cache. This helps refresh your connection and can resolve unexpected glitches. Ensure your Chromebook meets the compatibility requirements for Roblox. Sometimes an outdated system can create linking issues. Double-check your username and password to ensure you are entering the correct credentials. An easy mistake can lead to linking problems. Keep your Chrome OS updated to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with Roblox. If linking issues persist, consider using the Roblox mobile app as an alternative method to connect your account. For persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They're there to help you solve your linking problems. To recap, clear your cache, check compatibility, verify your credentials, update Chrome OS, explore the mobile app, and contact support if needed. Happy gaming!